Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create an Instagram post on different niches. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you how you can create an Instagram quotes post design. Guys, quotes are like blowing on Instagrams. You can grow your own theme page on quotes like love quotes, funny quotes, etc. You can also provide your services on different Instagram quotes pages, and you can uh, also go to YouTube or websites which are providing quotes, so you can offer them your services and charge them. So let's move towards our today's video and let's make a quotes website, quotes post for Instagram. So I'm on canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing online software, and you don't need to be an expert graphic designer or an expert experienced graphic designer. You are a beginning, it's just okay. And Canva will do everything for you. So create a design, and here I search Instagram post. I will choose square for this time, and I search here codes, and I like this template. This is okay. And I search here motivation, like I search here quotes of the day, short quotes. So I copy one of the quote: forgiveness is the power to choose how things affect you. So I copy it and paste it here, and that's it. And our you can also write your website name here, like www.quotes.com. It's just a dummy website. uh, I just use it for making the video. So guys, you can just have to collect the details from the client and paste it in the templates. There are also different templates. You can also change the style of the templates, and there are also very different type of templates. You can use them. So guys, if you in case you don't know about anything about Canva, go to my channel Iron Tech, go to playlist section and on YouTube, and go to playlist section, and there is a course called Canva designing course. After watching the course, you will know almost everything about Canva. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.